Hey, are you looking for a good quality earbud from Aliexpress? I have fixed the earbuds of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the earbuds are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like AliExpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. And at number 5, the earbud is Soundpeats Trueshift 2 Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Recently this earbud's price is $34.44. Soundpeats Trueshift 2 Bluetooth earbuds equipped with global professional Aeroa chipset and 6mm graphene drivers can provide a superior listening experience with ultra-realistic audio, clear detail sound, and punchy bass. The latest Bluetooth 5.0 would bring a powerful stable connection and lower consumption. Also designed with CVC noise cancellation, to reduce environmental noise and bring clear calls. Wireless headphones can play 5 hours after a full charge. The charging case built with a 3000 mAh large battery that enables 100 hours of playtime in total and up to 20 full charges. It is equipped with visible indicator lights to check the battery capacity. The charging case can be used as an emergency power bank to charge your smartphones or other devices. The IPX7 level headsets have the excellent waterproof performance to safeguard your earbuds from sweat and little rain, an ideal choice for sports, travel, and outdoor activities. It comes with an ergonomic and skin-friendly ear fin, to a snug fit comfortably to your ears, without worrying about dropout when workouts. True wireless earbuds adopt sensitive touch control, to less hurt your ears, and allow you easy tap to control music, phone calls, and activate voice assistants such as Siri. Removing the earphone from the charging case, it automatically turns on and matches to the last paired device. As long as your device is with Bluetooth version 5.0, it could be used well with Trueshift 2 Bluetooth earphones. The sports earbuds can be used separately after successful pairing. Not only listening to both earbuds in stereo mode, but also to single-wear left and right earbud, to enjoy the music in mono mode. 3 sizes of ear tips and ear fins provide comfortable. And at number 4, the earbud is T89 Smartwatch Bluetooth Earphone. T89 Bluetooth earphones are decent mixed-usage headphones. They have a decently comfortable fit for in-ears and have good overall battery life for truly wireless headphones. They offer a great price-to-performance ratio, with an impressively well-balanced sound profile that should be versatile enough for most generations. They can help block out noisy coworkers at the office and are even stable enough in your ear to take to the gym, making them a good, well-rounded pair of headphones for everyday use. Already this smartwatch earbud's price is $38.99. This earbud built-in Bluetooth 5.0 chip. Universal low-power wireless standard, easy to connect any product to a smartphone or tablet. It can achieve 4 times longer than the previous Bluetooth standard, 2 times the high speed and 8 times the broadcast capacity. It has high-fidelity sound quality, enjoy the auditory feast. Clear call, intelligent noise reduction, 1-button open, fast connection, and clear voice. You can control these earbuds very easily. Go from playlist to call to voice assistant without missing a beat. Siri's voice wake up always provides you with a fast lifestyle whenever and wherever touch sensing. It records your heart rate and blood pressure to help you understand your health and exercise, monitor your health 24 hours in real time using wrist optics. Its touch sensing system is very great. True wireless, a pair of headphones, 2 people sharing, headphones on both sides work at the same time. And at 3rd place, the earbud is Soundpeats Truengine 3 SE True Wireless Earbuds. Soundpeats is an earphone brand that has been making significant progress since 2012. The Truengine 3 is one of their better models. The design of the Soundpeats is as always, cool and beautiful. But do the Bluetooth earphones sound as good as they look? What we found is that these earbuds are very good for a specific goal group. But are you one of those that will love the Soundpeats Truengine 3? You will find out in this review. Recently this earbud price is $41.07. It has dual dynamic drivers with crossover. The combination of titanium-plated speaker and composite diaphragm speaker offers authentic sound with crystal-clear treble and deep bass. The unique crossovers can provide fantastic and powerful music with lossless audio. It is powered by the latest Qualcomm and Bluetooth 5.0 technology. The wireless earphones can ensure low power consumption and stable connectivity at the same time. Qualcomm aptX audio brings an incredible listening experience. It has smart touch control, instead of the discomfort by a button control. The sensitive touch control can effectively reduce the pain of wearing headphones and easily achieve all functions of your device. The upgraded design makes the earphones smaller and lighter. One full charge will deliver 6.5 hours playtime and will provide an additional 30 hours with 4 times recharge from the portable compact charging case. The charging port is upgraded to Type-C, which is more convenient and applicable. This earbud built-in dual microphones with noise cancellation for you to enjoy crystal clear hands-free calls and voice assistance even in noisy circumstances. Soundpeats provides 12 months hassle-free warranty. It allows you to use our products with confidence. And at number 2, the best earbud is IKF FunPods wireless earbuds. The IKF FunPods are decent, truly wireless in-ear headphones that offer great a price-to-performance ratio. They have an almost identical design, fit, and sound reproduction. The IKF are decent mixed-usage headphones. They have a decently comfortable fit for in-ears and have good overall battery life for truly wireless headphones. Now, this earbud's price is $53.19. It has upgrade Bluetooth 5.1 technology, more stable connectivity and high-quality performance experience. This is a built-in professional low-latency game mode, which can be turned on and off manually. Exclusive game low-latency mode, as low as 65 ms almost nonsense delay experience. It is equipped with a smart Bluetooth 5.1 chip, to seize the opportunity to win. The new side in-ear design has comfortable and more powerful noise reduction capabilities. It can adjust the volume, playback order, and call Siri or other intelligent voice assistants with touch operation. The addition of an 8mm large-size dynamic coil and a composite diaphragm creates a rich and spatial listening experience. The built-in AAC and SBC advanced audio decoding method allow you to enjoy the professional-grade music listening experience of bass, mid-range, and treble. And at number 1, the earbud is Mifo 07 dual-balanced true wireless earbuds. Already this earbud's price is $149.99. The most advanced Qualcomm chipset is compatible with aptX audio technology and AAC high-resolution transmission, and Bluetooth 5.0 not only provide a stable phone call but also great lossless sound quality. It has unique 4 microphones instead of normal 2 microphones and CVC double noise cancelling technology, and earpiece sets isolate you from noisy surroundings. Pick up the microphone to enjoy crystal clear calls without outside noise. It is equipped with the dual iron balanced armature, providing stereo sound with well-balanced bass. By tapping Mifo 07 wireless earbuds, you can answer and hang up the phone, pause, and play audio. Control the volume, skip songs, awaken voice assistant, etc. Thousands of ear-shaped data collection and wearing test, 698 times optimize, and 5 ear tips of different sizes, to ensure your in-ear fit comfortably and without falling out. 07 wireless earbuds are waterproof and dustproof, perfect for running, cycling, skiing, traveling, yoga, gym exercises, or other sports. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.